Speak right, Africa.
Two kinds of words make up a sentence. You have the content words, which happen to be the important words in the sentence. Without them, your sentence has no meaning. You must say such words loud and clear, especially if they have just one syllable. Watch.
Lesson 7. Emphatic stress. In a previous lesson, we talked about sentence stress. It became clear from that lesson that there are two types of words in English. Content words, words that have loud and faint parts, polysyllabic, or words that have just one loud part, monosyllabic words. These words are usually said loud and clear. Then we also discussed grammatical words, words which are usually faint and rapid speech. They are not said out loud and clear. But sometimes when we speak, we emphasize grammatical words. At other times, we place more emphasis on another word in the utterance, which we ordinarily would not have stressed. When this happens, we say we have applied emphatic stress. Emphatic stress helps us to give new meaning to an utterance. The way an utterance is understood by a listener changes depending on the word emphatically stressed. Listen to this sentence. She's going to her house. She is going to her house. She's going to her house. The sentences you just heard convey different meanings. She's going to her house as opposed to coming from it. She is going to her house and not anyone else. She is going to her house and not to her church or anywhere else. The word that we stress in a sentence is really dependent on the context. Mostly, it's dependent on the question or information the person we're having a conversation with asks. Let us do another exercise. This time, we will emphasize the word in the response based on the word A emphasizes in his question. A. Is Bessie sleeping on the chair? B. No. Bessie is sleeping on the bed. A. Is Bessie sleeping on the chair? No. Bessie is sitting on the chair. A. Is Bessie sleeping on the chair? B. No. Caller is sleeping on the chair. Practice reading A and B sentences in pairs.
I'm your speech coach, Chris Okwatcher. Thanks for being part of this learning experience. Own it, use it.
Speak right, Africa.
Pronunciation tutor. In English pronunciation, note that some syllables are faint or quiet while others are loud. See how this plays out in the following words: civil, claim, class, clear, clearly, community, alternative, computer.
Speak right, Africa.